Welcome back to QA Vault. In this video, we'll learn about smoke testing, what it is, why it's needed, and the real-time example. Smoke testing is part of black box testing. Before we dive deeper, here's a quick recall of where it fits. The goal of smoke testing is not to find every bug, but to ensure the build is stable enough for further testing. Smoke testing is also known as build verification testing, BVT, confidence testing, build acceptance testing, shallow testing, critical path testing. Every new build may introduce serious defects. Smoke testing helps us decide whether the build is testable or rejectable. Take an e-commerce app as an example. After a new build, we check login, product search, add to cart, and place order. If login fails, there's no point in testing further, and the build is rejected. We perform smoke testing after every new build, after deployment to QA/UAT environment, before regression testing, after major code changes. We do perform smoke testing to decide go/no-go for further testing, to give quick feedback to developers, to check build stability, to avoid wasting time on unstable builds, and to ensure critical flows are working. Advantages of smoke testing are saves testing time and effort, early detection of major defects, improves communication between dev and QA, reduces overall testing cost and prevents risks. Smoke testing checks the overall stability of a new build and is performed as soon as the build is received. Its scope is broad but shallow, covering only critical features to decide whether the build can be tested further. Sanity testing is performed after a bug fix or small change. Its scope is narrow but deep, focusing on affected modules to confirm readiness for regression testing. To summarize, smoke testing ensures that the application's core features are working and the build is stable enough for further testing. In the next video, we'll deep dive into regression testing with real examples. Thanks for watching.